Well, major developments on the data breach impacting Rhode Island's IT system for benefits and other state-run programs. The group behind the cyber attack has posted at least some of the data on the dark web. 12 News reporter Sheena Losciuto was at today's press briefing called by the governor and has more details from the State House in Providence now. Sheena?
Well, Kayla, now we're about more than 2 weeks into all of this, and although the governor says some of that information has now been posted, the state really doesn't have many answers for us. Governor McKee continues urging Rhode Islanders to protect their identities, as stolen information like Social Security and bank account numbers from people who have used state systems could now potentially be out there.
Today, the cybercriminals did in fact publish at least some of the Rhode RIBridges information and data files to the dark web.
McKee says they're still working to find out just how much was posted and what exactly is in the files. As we've reported, the hack impacts people who have used programs like Snap and HealthSource RI. The state continues to emphasize their vendor, Deloitte, is the one in contact with the criminals, meaning there's no word on what's going on with any potential ransom payments, though the hackers did set a deadline of Monday morning in order to avoid the release of the files.
Well, this is the way that these processes happened. Deloitte is the one who has the direct contact with the cyber criminals, and we're in contact with them on the IT issues. How quickly can we get the system back up and running?
When can the state get the system back up? There continues to be many questions the state says they can't answer, while the investigation into how this hack happened continues.
Monitor your credit. If you are one of the people who has been information has been breached, you'll receive a free credit monitoring. We want to let you know that that will be in the letter that you'll be receiving during the early parts of January.
Now, the state has held a few of these press conferences, but over and over again, they tell us there's not a lot they can answer right now, referring us to Deloitte. I did reach out to the spokesperson for them, but I'm still waiting to hear back as of this newscast.
And Sheena, where exactly is Deloitte in all of this?
We have been asking that question from the very beginning. Now, according to the state, they say they do expect a representative to join them at those press conferences at some point, but when that is, we do not know.
All right, our Sheena Losciuto live for us in Providence. Sheena, thank you. In the meantime, HealthSource Rhode Island has extended their call center hours through tomorrow in response to the data breach. The call center will be open from 8 in the morning until 8 at night today and tomorrow. It'll be closed on New Year's Day and will then reopen on Thursday from 8 to 6 with extended hours on Tuesdays until 8 and Saturdays from 9 a.m. until noon. That phone number you can call is listed right there on your screen. HealthSource RI is also extending open enrollment through February 28th. And you can find more in-depth coverage on the data breach online right now at WPRI.com. We have details on how to go about freezing your credit report and a 12 Responds roundup of what you need to know about this breach, along with that state hotline number for you to call. It's all there on WPRI.com.